is up, guys? Graphics design here. Today we're gonna make a Fortnite logo on iOS. It's pretty easy. If you hear any background noises, sorry, that's my family again. If you saw it in the last video I made. Let's get started. So, okay, well, I'll have that on, sorry. So, we're gonna go, so you want to type out Fortnite Raptor PNG. You can just write Fortnite, whatever character you want, then PNG. We'll choose this. Which is this one. Hold. Again, wait, sorry. No, it does not work. You hold, save image. I already got the image. Then you want to go, then you want to search out Fortnite background. Pick whatever one you think's cool. I chose this one. Do the same again. Hold, save image. I already got it. You want to go on your Pixar. Sorry if you hear that. That's my sister making a lot of noise right now. You go on your photos. So you want to pick the background first. No one cares about Google Photos. Then what you want to do, you might want to go into FX. You want to go into pop art. You want to go into color gradient and press it again. Then you can choose the colors. You can do this. You can change the colors on here. We're going to use here, say, Raptors, the yellowish orangish color. So we're going to do that. Then we're going to apply. You don't have to do this, but I like it. Put HDR on. We'll just put HDR on. Then sorry, I don't think I applied it. You want to apply. Then you want to get the white circle from last videos. Then you want to apply. WordPress. Sorry, not next. Hold on, I need to check something. Okay. You want to press add photo. Then we're going to pick Raptor. Where's Raptor? There we go. You add. Then what we want to do is add him. Make sure we add him on. Oh damn, I see T, bro. Get it centered, please. I'm gonna apply that. Do you want to press next? Do you want to save the post? When you're done, go on to Fonto. Then you want to go into photo albums. Then you just pick the image, press done. You can crop it if you want to, but I won't do that today. So like you can crop like these sides as I'm showing you with here, but I didn't do it today. You just want to press and then add text. Just put whatever name you are. I'm going to use the font Burbank Big Condensed Black. I think it's a really cool one. Then once that's it, we're done. I'm obviously not gonna make it black, so we're gonna change it. We'll put black on. then the shadow, alpha on 1%, blur on 1, then X and Y on 30. Then you want to go back to color, stroke. Let me see which one's good. We'll just use black. Make the width 5. You can just stick with 3. We'll go with 5. You can enlarge it like this. How big you want it to be. And that's how you make it. Let's save it first. You want to save the image. Let's check out how it looks like. That's how it's like. Sorry, my mom screamed. I'm very sorry about that. This is how it should look like. Hope this was helpful. Again, like and subscribe. Tomorrow's video might be on a banner and how to make it. Subscribe, I guess.